All right, so my main question on number one is, can you figure this out on your calculator? Because if you have a question like this and you have a calculator, you don't really have to know that much about it, other than can you put it in your calculator? And it's not. It's got to be this. This is the exam calculator. Exam calculator. Did you check it? You will be supplied with that exact calculator. I did not. So I'm gonna go 16. This parentheses 3 divided by 2. My calculator did it. Okay, so I'm doing it in this calculator. This is the buttons I push. I did 16, and then I did this button here. Y to the X. And then I did a parenthesis. I did 3 divide by 2. I close parenthesis, and then I hit enter. And the answer is 16.
It's the same.
Wait. Oh, never mind. I was doing number 2. Yeah. Hold on. That's 4 squared is 6. Let's do that again. Parentheses. Oh, you don't?
No. It was 16. Y and X and then 2 over 3 over 2. You get the answer.
Okay. Y to the X. 2 over 3.
Miss, I want to tell you something. It's a trick you don't have to do to divide by 3. You can actually do a. Yeah, but press the A, B, C.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Why do I keep getting like?
All right, now I'm going to show you how to do it without a calculator so that you understand y equals 16. All right, so and they might ask you on your exam just to rewrite. So when we did this with radicals, we take the denominator, we moved it down and around, and it becomes what's called an index. And then the exponent, that is the numerator, stays up high. So it looks like this, done by hand. The cube root of 64, I have to think whenever this is a number and it's not a square root, I think of everything to the third power. And 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. So the cube root of 64 is 4. So when the little 3 is inside the radical, that will reduce to be 4, and then 4 squared is 16. So if you're able to put this in your calculator and get a 16 out, that's very good. But you should also kind of check at the reasoning behind it, because who knows how you'll have to rewrite it. You'll probably see a question that says, like, click on every equivalent form, right? Like, check all that apply. So if this is the problem, you'd have to know that this is equal, that this means the same thing, and that even 16 could be shown because these are all equivalent. So now try number 2, rewrite it as a radical, and then evaluate or simplify. Put it in radical form. You don't have any paper or pencil? It's all in your form. And you haven't seen it since you were at class or since you were at home? Yeah. What about you, Jason? You got this? Can you put this in radical form, Jason? Let's take a look. I got big 16. This is an exponent. Just like this one, the bottom of the exponent goes around and goes inside of the radical. The bottom will go around and go inside a radical. So that's the square root of 16 to the third. Does anybody know what the square root of 16 is? It is 4. So what's just inside here, I can replace with 4. And so now I have to do 4 times 4 times 4. And that's where 64 comes from. Final answer. Now number 3 asks you to go the other way. Gustavo went first. Yes. So number 3, instead of bringing the bottom down and around, we're going to do just the opposite. Take your index and put it down on the bottom. So this would be rewritten as 2, 8 up high, and 4 down below. And we know 8 over 4 is just 2. So this is 2 squared, and the answer is 4. Little review of what we did with these fraction exponents. Do you guys have any questions?